My second order from Zoeva. I don't know if you have seen my video, but I did a live unboxing of the Zoeva brushes. It was the Zoeva Zoe brush bag or Zoe artist bag. I'm gonna put the photo of the thumbnail here so you can go back and check it out if you wanted to. And but it will be directly at the end of this video so you don't miss that video also. Yes, but here we have some goodies that I actually bought way back December 28th. So I think it's because of the Christmas season. That's why it was a little late. And plus I was not able to unbox it right away when it came. So I'm unboxing it right now. And today is the 9th of February. But yeah, let's just keep going. Alright. I also noticed that on this box it says, if recipient not at home, please deliver to collection point. And yeah, this was delivered straight to my home, so that's so good. All right, so this is what's inside the box. Okay, so it's properly packed inside, and I hope that nothing is damaged. I noticed that Zoeva packs the items really well. So we have some tissue paper. Oh, look! So it even has like a Zoeva sticker here in the middle. Alright, so here, oh my god, here are the items. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Alright, so first item that I got here is Zoeva Coral Shine Makeup Brush and Clutch. And this, they still have this on the website. And then this one is 50% off also. So I bought the eye brush sets for the Screen Queen. I like it because it's very light pink. And that's how it looks. Ah, yeah, I remember this. So at the end part of December, they have another sale aside from the Black Friday. And then they have some sets. And then this is one of the sets that they have. It's Zoeva's Heritage Collection. So it has some brushes and then some makeup. So let's get into that soon. And yeah, another set of makeup with the brushes is this one. Oh, this is bigger. Wow. Okay. Alright, so this is the Premiere Collection. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So I think let's start with the coral brush sets. Alright, so this is the Zoeva Coral Shine Brush Set. It has 9 brushes inside and then a clutch. And yes, let's go check out the box. So this is what you see in the front. And then on the side, it has Coral Shine Brush Sets. And on this side also. And then ZoevaCosmetics.com on this both sides. Alright, so just gonna open it from the top. At the back, it lists the brushes that are here. Probably will not be showing on the screen, but yeah, all the brushes are listed right there. Okay, oh, so exciting. So this is how it is. Oh my gosh. Wow, very pretty color. So the brushes are separate and they are here on the plastic, and then this is the pouch. So let's talk about this very beautiful faux leather pouch first. I really like this zipper puller over here, which is so beautiful. It seems like it's yeah, it's a coral shape right there, but the hardware for this one is gold. So let me share this with you. And this zipper puller that looks like an emblem here are corals. So stunning. And then gold hardware over there. And then when we open it, it's going to be like this inside. Usually they have something that's printed over here. Let me see here. Okay, this one does not have some quotes inside because I'm used to like the other Zoeva brush sets. They have quotes inside. And let me just see here what else it says. And then, of course, we have this Zoeva logo on the front with a gold hardware also. Very nice pouch. So you could use this, of course, to store the brushes, or yeah, you can use it as a cosmetic pouch also and put whatever you want in there. I think an iPad mini fits on this one also. I'm the kind of person who always like think about what fits inside the bag, and I have some videos of that. If you want to know what fits inside the bags, I have those videos too. All right, going back. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These are so stunning. I was thinking I should like do another video of my Screen Queen brushes and then the Zoeva Artist brush, because last time when I made a video it was live and the lighting is not perfect. So this one, let's see here. So this has 9 brushes. Okay. And these are all the beautiful brushes that's here. I really like this coral color, but I'm going to show them to you one by one. So first, let's talk about the anatomy of the brush. So we have this coral handle here, and it's smooth and matte. And then this one right here is the ferrule, and it's golden, and the hair is super soft, Zoeva quality, and they are all synthetic hair because Zoeva is a cruelty-free brand. And then you could see right here the Zoeva logo, and then here is the number of the brush, and then the description of the brush. And then when we check out the back, you could see here at the lower corner the name of the brush set. So this one is Coral Shine. For this specific brush, this one is the 103 Defined Buffer. This applies foundation with a natural finish. This next one is the Zoeva 110 Face Shape. This one contours the face shape with cream and powder products. This next brush is the largest brush on this brush set, and this is the Zoeva Coral Shine number 111 Petite Face Finish. So this brush is used for evenly blends liquid, cream, and powder products. This next brush is pretty uncommon. We don't usually see this on brush brands, but this is the Zoeva Coral Shine number 137, and it's called the Petite Fan. This is used to set highlights, remove excess mascara, and separate lashes. This is the Zoeva Coral Shine 145 Concealer Blender, and this is used to softly blend concealer. This next Zoeva Coral Shine brush is the one in number 227, and it's the Soft Definer. So this one is used to softly blend and smooth eyeshadow. Zoeva Coral Shine number 241 is called the Precision Smudger, and this one precisely blends eyeshadow and kohl along the lash line. Zoeva Coral Shine number 317. This one is a wing liner, and this creates detailed eyeliner strokes and a perfect wing. And last but definitely not the least is this brush right here, which is the Zoeva Coral Shine number 322 brow line. Flawlessly applies cream and powder eyebrow products. And that's all for the 9 brushes of this Zoeva Coral Shine brush set. 9 brushes that are very nice and could work perfectly for beginners and for those pro makeup artists also. What I think about it, it's very pretty. I love the coral colors, pop of color, makes you inspired to do fun makeup looks. See you in the part 2 and part 3. Check out my next video and remember to stay fierce and fly high.